What if I told you silver is sitting at a level that has only been touched a handful of times in modern history, and every single time it led to a massive move? Right now, traders are split, investors are nervous, and the market feels unusually quiet, almost like it's holding its breath. This is not just another pullback. This is a moment that could decide whether silver explodes upward or completely collapses. And if you're watching silver right now, you need to understand exactly what's happening before the next move begins. Welcome back to Silver Pules, where we break down the silver market in a clear, calm, and honest way so you can think for yourself, not react emotionally. In this video, we're going to walk through why this support level is considered historic, what the market is quietly signaling, and the two very different scenarios that could unfold next. Make sure you stay until the end, because the final part of this video is where everything connects. Before we go deeper, if you follow silver, gold, or the broader commodity markets, make sure you like this video and subscribe to Silver Pules. It really helps the channel grow, and it ensures you don't miss the next update, especially with volatility increasing right now. Let's slow things down for a moment and look at the bigger picture. Silver has been in a long, emotional journey. We've seen explosive rallies, sharp corrections, and extended periods of frustration where nothing seemed to happen. But markets don't move randomly. They move in cycles, driven by liquidity, fear, patience, and timing. And right now, silver has drifted back to a price zone that has acted like a floor multiple times across different economic environments. This level isn't important because of a single indicator. It's important because of memory. Markets remember, institutions remember, algorithms remember. When price returns to a zone where buyers previously stepped in aggressively, the market reacts. Sometimes it bounces hard, there are times it fails, and when it fails, the move can be violent. What makes this moment different is the backdrop. Inflation expectations are unstable. Interest rate narratives keep changing. The US dollar has been swinging without clear direction, and risk appetite across markets feels fragile. Silver's caught right in the middle of all of this. It's not just a metal right now, it's a signal. If you zoom out far enough, you'll notice that every major silver bottom was formed when sentiment was confused, not confident. People weren't excited, they were tired. They were skeptical. That's exactly the mood we're seeing now. Volume has cooled, headlines are quieter, retail interest has dropped, and historically that's when silver tends to make its most important decisions. Now let's talk about the bounce scenario first. If this historic support holds, silver doesn't need explosive news to move higher. All it needs is stability. Few daily closes holding above this zone would signal that sellers are running out of strength. That's usually when larger players start stepping in quietly, not chasing price, but accumulating slowly. When that happens, price often grinds higher first, frustrating both bulls and bears before momentum finally kicks in. In that scenario, the first move higher won't feel exciting. It will feel boring. And that's exactly how sustainable rallies begin. Gradual strength, higher lows, and confidence slowly returning. This is how silver has built every major uptrend in the past. But we also have to be honest about the other possibility. If this support breaks cleanly, especially with strong volume, it changes everything. A breakdown from a historic level doesn't usually stop at the next small support. It accelerates. Stops get triggered. Weak hands panic. And price can drop much faster than people expect. This is why this zone matters so much. It's not just a technical level, it's a psychological line in the sand. Above it, silver has a future narrative. Below it, the story turns dark very quickly. What's interesting is how calm price action looks right now. There's no panic selling. There's no aggressive buying either. This kind of compression often comes right before expansion. Think of it like a spring being compressed. The longer it stays tight, the more powerful the release. Another piece many people overlook is positioning. When too many traders are leaning in one direction, markets tend to punish them. Right now, positioning is relatively balanced. That tells us the next move may surprise both sides. That's why reacting emotionally here is dangerous.
Yes.
This is a moment for patience and clarity. At Silver Pules, we don't chase hype, we watch behavior. And behavior right now suggests the market is preparing, not reacting. That's a subtle but critical difference. If you're a long-term investor, this area is about risk management, not prediction. Understanding where you're wrong is more important than being right. If you're a trader, This is a zone where waiting for confirmation matters more than guessing the bottom or top. Remember, the market doesn't reward impatience. It rewards discipline. As we move closer to the end of this video, here's the key takeaway. Silver is not random right now. It's intentional. Whether it bounces or breaks, the move that follows is likely to be meaningful. These are the moments that define trends, not the middle of the range where emotions run high and clarity is low. If this level holds, silver could quietly begin building the foundation for its next major leg higher. If it fails, we could see a reset that scares people out before opportunity appears again. Either way, ignoring this moment would be a mistake. If this breakdown helped you see silver more clearly, drop a comment below and tell me which scenario you think is more likely, a bounce or a breakdown, and why. I read the comments, and your perspective helps shape future videos here on Silver Pules. Also, if you found this valuable, share it with someone who follows silver but feels confused right now. Sometimes clarity is more valuable than predictions. Thanks for spending these minutes with me. Stay calm, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next Silver Pules update.